Hey, good day everybody. I've got these Elantrip car seat covers. I'm gonna go ahead and do an installation on these. They are fashionable, comfortable, and durable. The part number on this is 4804. Here's a look at the front side of them. And a look at the back side. Comes with the directions on how to install them, and I'll be following these and putting these in. I'll show you how I'm doing this step by step. Here's the compatibility guide, and this shows that it'll work with a detachable headrest seat. Won't work with a non-detachable headrest. It'll work with a built-in seat belt and an airbag compatible seat too. So to wash it, only non-chlorine bleach, spot clean with a mild detergent and damp cloth. Use caution when installing to avoid the elastic snapback, so wear safety glasses so you don't put out your eye. This is for the main part of the seat, and that's for the headrest. Okay, here's a look at the before. I'm just kind of setting the cover up here on here. The first step is going to be to take this strap, unsnap it. With the snap-on strap, we just bring it up around here and come around the headrest there. Oh, these are nice. Okay, now what we're gonna do, so I've put the seat all the way forward and then push those out through the back right here. And there's what we got. We got two of them right there. That way the seat cover won't pull out that way. That is a very nice feature. See how it really conforms to the actual seat with those straps behind there? That is great. Okay, so now we've got this other stuff to worry about here. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this and go all the way around this thing here. So it kind of brings out the sides of these things. Right there. It's got pockets on the front too. That's sweet. So we just kind of walk this thing around, and the strap here is going to go underneath. Take this, and just kind of tuck it down in there. You'll notice too that there's these hooks right here, right on the side. So we'll take and hook this. And take this, put it like that, and then connect the straps in the back. Nice seat cover.